ChatGPT took the world by storm. And do you know what some of the best features are of ChatGPT? As the parent company, OpenAI is planning to roll out the new version of GPT-4. Here's a list of the 7 best features of ChatGPT that are so amazing that you cannot ignore them. Number 1. Plugins. Did you know that plugins can make ChatGPT smarter? Although it is still in its infancy, there are already add-ons to assist in providing you with everything from improved programming and maths instruction to recommendations for nearby restaurants. You may enhance the functionality of the AI chatbot by pairing it with ChatGPT plugins. These are offered in the store for ChatGPT plugins. Only a small number are created by OpenAI, with the vast majority coming from other developers. Only GPT-4, which grants the chatbot access to the internet, is compatible with ChatGPT plugins. In the ChatGPT store, there are more than 80 plugins with a variety of features, including better writing prompts, flight and restaurant booking assistance, financial advice, and even timely links to XKCD comics. Number 2. Code Interpreter. The most recent addition to OpenAI ChatGPT, particularly with the GPT-4 model, is the Code Interpreter, which enables you to execute Python code in a real-time working environment. It essentially functions as a sandboxed Python environment, where any Python code can be run to do any purpose. It may seem like a function designed for programmers, but it may assist regular users with a variety of tasks as well. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT's Code Interpreter to solve a mathematical problem, perform data analysis and visualization, generate graphs and charts, and much more. You can also ask the Code Interpreter to convert a PDF file using OCR. As a result, Code Interpreter enables you to quickly and in a variety of file formats upload local files to ChatGPT. A temporary disk space is also provided by Code Interpreter for you to upload your data. Numerous major file types are supported, including TXT, PDF, DOC, DOCX, JPEG, PNG, MP4, AVI, CSV, JSON, XML, XLS, XLSX, CPP, PY, HTML, PDF, DB, SQLite, and many others. This is a representative sample of file formats from a range of categories, not an entire list. Simply said, you have access to a computer with computing resources and disk space inside the chatbot when you use the Code Interpreter feature in ChatGPT. With natural language, you can accomplish almost anything. Remember, however, that you cannot install Python libraries by yourself. It is a firewalled, sandboxed environment with more than 300 pre-configured libraries and packages. Number 3. Custom instructions. ChatGPT can be a true blessing if you're working on a project, especially if you're a developer. It can write or evaluate code, but it can't program the entire thing for you. The issue is that for it to accomplish that, you frequently need to provide it with the entire context of your project. Fortunately, ChatGPT's developers, OpenAI, have now unveiled a new function that assists you in resolving all these issues: custom instructions. You need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus to access custom instructions. As a beta feature, it may contain bugs. In the bottom left corner, click on your profile name, click on Settings and Beta. Click on Beta Features in Settings. Turn on the Custom Instructions toggle, then close the window. The feature should now be activated. Your profile name should appear again with a new option labeled Custom Instructions. Enter any information about you that you believe ChatGPT might find useful. Getting started with your role is a fantastic idea. You might wish to mention that you're a developer who only uses C# or that you're pursuing a PhD in AI ethics, for example. You can even claim to be a father of 4 kids, if that will help you to come up with substantial dishes to feed them. Having said that, you only need to provide it with enough of your life's history to give it something to work with. Number 4. Edit button. Let's investigate its editing features. From simple proofreading to complex copy editing, ChatGPT may be used for a variety of editing activities. Here are a few ways that ChatGPT can be edited. Basic mistakes like misspellings, typos, and grammatical problems can be found with the aid of ChatGPT. You can type in some text, and ChatGPT will rapidly find and fix any mistakes. The capacity of ChatGPT to comprehend the context of a document can help it find mistakes that more conventional spell checkers might miss. ChatGPT can also be used for more complex copy editing duties, like enhancing readability overall and sentence structure. You can enter a piece of text and ChatGPT will make suggestions for changes to the wording, sentence structure, and other style components. Because ChatGPT may produce real language responses, its suggestions can be more sophisticated than those from conventional grammar checkers. A human editor cannot edit text as quickly as ChatGPT. It's an excellent tool for editing tasks that would take too long for a human editor to complete because it can quickly process vast quantities of text. Additionally, this makes it less expensive than hiring a person to edit the material. Because ChatGPT can comprehend the context of the text, it may spot mistakes and make suggestions for improvement that a typical spell checker or grammar checker might overlook. This may lead to editing that is more precise and efficient. Number 5. Describe difficult concepts. Have you ever thought about the various applications for OpenAI's revolutionary language model ChatGPT? ChatGPT's flexibility can be used in a myriad of ways to enhance learning and productivity. ChatGPT can be your go-to source for knowledge, whether you're looking for ready answers to trivial questions or deep knowledge about something. ChatGPT can be very handy. A wonderful place for learning new things is ChatGPT. For instance, you may request from the AI chatbot a detailed explanation of how a graphics card functions. If you're trying to understand concepts related to more challenging topics, you can even request that ChatGPT explain concepts to you in simple language. Use the phrase, "explain like I'm 5" to your inquiry to get the chatbot to respond. Let's look at a few of the ways you may use ChatGPT to simplify your life and increase your productivity now that everyone can access the beta version of this software for free. Need inspiration for your niece's next birthday party's theme? Or come up with a list of ideas for your subsequent blog posts? ChatGPT can be useful here. Even whole meal plans or food suggestions can be generated by the AI. ChatGPT can serve as your personal shopper, health assistant, or even cinema concierge, making personalized film suggestions based on your likes and dislikes. ChatGPT can provide you with clear, concise explanations in simple words of topics like machine learning and quantum computing. Whether you're writing a poem, a news piece, an email, or a college application essay, let ChatGPT know what you're writing about, and you'll get personalized content that you can use in a variety of different contexts. Number 6. Debug code. One of ChatGPT's applications will surely be helpful if you're a programmer. It might even enable you to identify and fix bugs in your code. In essence, ChatGPT will perform a code error check, discuss the faults, and provide one or more examples of how to implement a potential repair. Number 7. Writing story. ChatGPT's work hasn't yet debuted at the top of bestsellers list because it hasn't mastered the art of creative style. However, by producing clear narratives and terminology from uncomplicated suggestions, the application helps youngsters produce a nice bedtime story. Children's books that have been traditionally published won't be replaced by it, but using OpenAI's tools to make one can be useful if you're short on time or far from your child's collection of bedtime stories. That's it! What do you think of these amazing features of ChatGPT? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. For more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.